Welcome back, awesome people. Now this is the second update of my journey of getting to $1,000 from trading $100 using my Wealthsimple trading platform. The first milestone in my challenge is $1,000 because many of my viewers are just the average investor who may want some guidance on buying stocks, or those who only have a few hundred to spend on buying stocks. So my goal is to show you my buying and selling moves to make the most of your investment. So subscribe as you follow me along my journey of turning $100 to $1,000 purely by trading stocks in my Wealthsimple trading platform. Now, this has been an exciting week for the markets as we saw a lot of deep reds and bright greens, as there is a tug of war of buyers and sellers over spec stocks, and it is going to get even more volatile. So here is my recap and update of the stocks in my Wealthsimple Challenge portfolio. If you have not seen the previous episodes of my journey where I introduced the stocks that I bought and the first update, then check those videos out once you are done with this one. And don't forget to follow me on my brand new Twitter account at Jacob Rant. Not another Jacob Rant, but you can type that in too and you can find it. But my handle is Jacob Rant, where I will post my daily profits and losses and what I will be buying and selling only on Twitter. So get bullish on that subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and smash all the likes, bells, and whistles to help this channel grow and to get all my updates on these fantastic investments. And comment below with what stocks I should consider, because I do reply to every comment. So this was a short trading week, as Monday the stock market was closed for both Canada and the United States. And the market was doing very well these past 4 days as news for more vaccine orders have been confirmed for North America. And as more people get vaccinated, the more that restrictions will be reduced, opening up the economy and bringing some, keyword some, global normalcy. So let's get into it. Now, the Real Luck Group, ticker symbol LUCK, the stock that dropped the next day after I purchased it 2 weeks ago, which you can get a recap from my previous video. This week has been rising sharply, amazing results. And throughout this week, it went up as high as $1.49 and currently sitting at, as I'm making this video, currently sitting at above $1.70. As investors started taking profits, it did dip, but then it shot right back up, dipped again, shot right back up. And Luck will be continuing their momentum next week, as much news has been coming out for Luck this week, including unveiling payment partnerships that Luck has confirmed, which includes Skrills and Trustly, and the news that Canada is advancing the bill to legalize single game betting, which is major news for all sports betting outlets in North America. So Luck has much great news ahead of them in the near future. So I will be adding more to my position, as my current average is $1.25 with a 20% return since buying. And I do see this company to be similar as the Score. And as you know, Score has had a more than a 300% run in less than a month. And just on Thursday, Score did a 10-to-1 reverse split, which is why Score's trading was halted. I will be posting a video about the Score's 10-1 reverse split and how Luck and Score compare with one another on Monday. So subscribe to get notified of when that video drops. And LTE, my YOLO stock, the stock that I did absolutely no research on and just YOLO bought it, is again outperforming my expectations. It is currently up 30% since buying, and I will be continuing to use LTE as my YOLO stock for this week and continue to watch it, because as the economy opens up, or slowly opening up globally actually, LTE services will be in demand again. Before the pandemic, LTE was sitting at about 90 cents, and just 4 years ago it was over $3.50. And the reason for its share price dropping 4 years ago was due to the company transitioning to 5G technology. And as soon as they were starting to come up again, the pandemic hit, which limited their services due to lockdowns. But now that things are starting to open up, LTE will be able to do their job. Thus, share prices will increase as it did these past couple of weeks. So I like what the company is doing and will be continue to throw my leftover change into LTE. YOLO! And for my other two stocks, J&H, Jack Nathan Health, and Numinous Wellness, well, let's just say one of them barely budged. Jack Nathan has been steady since buying, as they have been expanding into Mexico the past couple of months by opening up 50 new medical clinics, which are set to be completed by the end of March. So I will be continuing to track Jack Nathan for the week, and if no news comes out, then I will try to get out with some profits to pour into another faster growth stock. So J&H is definitely a buy if you are planning to hold for more than a couple of months. And for Numinous Wellness, well, if you have been following the psychedelic sector, you already know that the sector has major potential, as many of these new psychedelic companies are beginning their clinical trials this year. And if all goes well, this will change the health and wellness industry. I am currently up 14% since buying Numinous Wellness, and with the current momentum of the psychedelic industry, this stock will make a great run. So I am keeping this stock most likely for the next week or two, and because there is great potential. And by looking at one of its main competitors, which is MMED, which is currently sitting at under $5, I believe Numinous will get to that price point as well. And in my personal opinion, I think Numinous is more reliable than MMED because of their Health Canada backing. And that was one of the major reasons why I sold the majority of my MMED shares and bought more Numinous. So Numinous over MMED for me. So to summarize this week, luck is growing and gaining momentum from both great news and an audience eager for legalized single game betting. And with a 25% return just this past week, I will be holding luck for this week as well. Maybe if Jack Nathan doesn't look good this week, I may sell Jack Nathan and purchase more luck. Jack Nathan is being Jack Nathan, steady and boring. So I am watching this week to look for an exit and reinvest into either luck, NUMI, or maybe another stock that catches my eye. So subscribe to get to know when I am buying and selling. Or you can just hop onto my Twitter at Jacob Rant and get the daily news of what I am doing. NUMI is itching for a run, so I will watch it as it climbs, as I do not believe it will ever hit under $1 again, because this is a strong company with many government and medical partnerships. And my YOLO stock, LTE, with a return of 30% since buying and with massive growth potential once society starts opening up, I am going to continue dumping my leftover change after buying my main positions into my YOLO stock, a stock I bought before researching anything. So LTE will continue to be my YOLO stock for this week. In total, this week, I am up about 16%, sitting at around $116. It does not seem like a lot with a $16 profit, but remember, these stocks are all penny stocks with no proven track record. So it is a higher risk, but as you can see, also a much higher return in a short span of time. And once you get to higher amounts such as $1,000 or $10,000, then that $16 could have been $160 off of $1,000 and $1,600 off of $10,000. And that, my awesome people, is how making your money work for you to make you more money and repeat. So once we hit to $300 to $400 from our initial $100 is when we will start seeing bigger gains than just $16. I will post my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge updates weekly on YouTube, so subscribe, and daily on Twitter. So follow me at Jacob Rant, or just type in another Jacob Rant. So ride with me on this journey of turning $100 into $1,000 by trading on my Wealthsimple trading platform. And who doesn't love free money? And if you want to get in on the action of turning $100 into $1,000 for yourself, and free money to trade with, and $0 commission fees that won't eat up your profits, sign up with my Wealthsimple link down in the description box below for $25 of free real money to trade with. Link is in the description box below. So again, I am not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research and consult your own financial professional. Thanks. There is so much wealth out there for all of us to get a piece of. So by allowing our hard-earned money make us more money is the key to wealth and the key to financial success. So subscribe, like, and share to help out the channel, and so you will get notified of when I post my next Wealthsimple Challenge update, my penny stocks, REITs, dividend, and speculative stocks from my portfolio, and other investments that I am currently buying and selling. I want everyone to have the opportunity to get out of this work-life trap by buying back their freedom through investing. So let's all ride 2021 together on a journey of health, love, success. So until the next video, stay ranting.